Hey, this is William from CyberTruckco, and today we're going to be installing these tow receiver adapters for the front. So basically, these will allow you to put bicycle racks in the front or a winch and recover the car. So we're going to go from start to finish here. We're going to remove the stock bumper and install these. Okay, so one of the first steps you'll do is this one already has these fog lights, but here is the first bolt. This is a Allen. If the car's completely stock, it'll have a 10mm there and not an Allen. So we'll take these guys off. All right, looks like the connector. Most people won't have this trouble, right? Then pop this off. Wow, that was great. So there are some clips in the fender well here. These. There's 3 of them. Oops. They'll come off one way or another, huh? And inside here are some bolts. All right, let me do the other side. Let me show you guys. All right, so they come off. And we're doing this to gain access to, oh, look, a squirrel fell out.
You're gaining access to where?
To some bolts, but all right, so we're gonna take off the 10mm that are on the bottom and then get into those 10mm. Okay, so we have some bolts in the bottom here, and pop open these little doors here, right? Easier than it sounds. There it is. And there's some under there. So there's some 10s in here. And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take those 5 out and then we'll go from there. So there's one more pop clip in there, down here.
Down here?
Way over there, you see it?
Kind of. Oh yeah.
That one.
That one.
That one too.
That one.
And there is inside here, these bolts here.
Yep.
Same thing on the other side. All right. So you'll find a 10mm here under the plastic cover if it was stock. Oops.
Whoa. Oh, where are you
dropping everything today.
Oh wow.
Pop this off.
Just using that tool like that?
Yeah, I mean you could use this or a plastic wedge. It's not really on here very hard. Okay, so we did this to undo the connector, get this little gray part popped back, and then disconnect it. Set this aside. And we did this to take these off.
Mm.
Okay, so we got these screws off of here. And we're starting to pop this off. It makes some crazy noises, don't worry, it's all normal. All right. Looks like we got some connectors to disconnect over here. You can come to this side. So these right here we're gonna have to
Oh,
unplug.
I see. The blue and the red?
Yeah, the blue, the red. Yep. Let me grab a panel popper so I can do that easier. All right, so we're gonna be using a panel popper. I've got this long one to make it easier since we're filming and all, but you're gonna have to get under them and pop them free.
Oh, wow.
Jesus, okay. And I'm only doing this to gain access to the connectors so I can unplug them. I gotta press this little thing here. There we go.
There we go.
Okay, and this little speaker here.
Speaker?
Yeah. It's the same thing, a little red one.
The tool out. Oh, there we go.
Okay, I can't really see in here, but I know it's a little pop clip too. Okay, so that gets the bumper free on this side.
Oh, no, the other side.
Let's go see what else there is. Okay, so that's as far as we need to go. Obviously, if we didn't have these lights, it'd be a lot easier, or if these lights had a connector there. These were some prototypes, so there's no connector. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is remove these by means of these 4 bolts here. I'm gonna take those off, and then we're gonna fit our bumper back on there. So let me go grab some tools for this.
Okie dokie.
Okay, so I've gathered up some 15 millimeter, you know, a long wrench so I can break them free, and I've got a ratchet and an impact. So we're gonna break these free. Wow,
What was that?
that one was tight. I'm gonna reuse those.
Oh, okay.
Now we're gonna put our adapter on there.
Is this your first time installing it?
Yeah,
Oh,
and also the prototype, so we're gonna make some adjustments to it. Shouldn't be that snug.
Yeah.
But that's the idea. That thing goes on there and the bolts go through. I'm gonna have to actually wedge this thing in, but
you won't have to.
you won't have to. Okay, so we've got a soft hammer here. And I've got a lineup tool. Looks good. Doesn't look very good. Let's see. We need a pry bar. Now we'll look up the torque and give you guys the torque spec for these. Right now it's just tight. This is for the video.
Oops, sorry.
Okay. Same
Nice.
thing on the other side. All right, so we decided to put some connectors here where it should have had some. For anybody that doesn't have that, just, you know, get that on there. Okay, so back to replacing this side. I guess it's going to be exactly the same as that side. And the reason these don't fit as well as they should, because these are handmade. They're prototypes. So when you get yours, they'll fit smoothly. Just to make sure they're tight. Okay, so now we have these on here, and there's going to be a bit of trimming to do here. So let me show you. We got to cut this little part off here.
Okay.
So we got to cut this off. And if you were to ever go back to stock, you still put this back. This clips, the cover that comes here covers all that, so it'll cover that up. I'm gonna get something else.
Okay.
Be on this side.
So that's a good one?
This is a good one.
All right. Wait, I don't like this angle. Can I go on the other side?
You go.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay, we chose this chainsaw for this action here. So
Let's see how it goes.
there we go. Beauty.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
Oh.
I'm just taking this little nub off, you see?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Here we go, after we trim the thing.
Put it back on? Oh.
Put it back on. Oh,
Wait, what about the lights?
the lights, those are last.
Oh, okay.
You mean the fog lights?
Yeah.
Last.
Okay.
But we're just seeing if it fits.
Oh, okay.
Ta-da! Okay, so now we'll just put it back. Okay, I'm removing this back because I forgot to put these screws on here.
Whoopsie.
Those go there. All right.
Perfect.
So we got the bumper and it fits with that trimming that we did. So now just getting it in place there. That's it. It actually fit. So we can put back everything now. Start with this piece.
think this is not fully clipped in, is it? It's like a gap here.
That little part? Yeah, I think I gotta
No, there we
put
go.
that on right.
Perfect.
That looks better. Okay, so this guy plugs in here. Get all these bolts lined up on the bottom. And they just go back where they were. They're all the same, so all 5 are the same. No worries there. Then get the top one started, then tighten them. Yeah, it's a weird angle.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta trade you spots.
All right.
So there's 3. The optical camera, the washer for the camera, just a little hose, and this connector here. I think this is a sensor. And the wire is at the bottom. This is from our fog lights.
Oh, okay. I could barely see it. You good?
Yeah.
All good?
All good. Now I'm just gonna put the pop clips back.